Hello guys, welcome to my channel Fiesta Tube. I hope you all are fit and fine. So today I'll show you my skin and hair care routine. So let's start the video. Now to begin with, cut a leaf from aloe vera plant and peel off the upper layer. Now take the leaf and chop it in cubes. So look at that aloe vera guys. The gel is clear in color and slightly watery. So here I have the magical gel cubes with me. So now I'm going to rub it all over my face. Take the aloe vera gel and gently rub it from the gel side. This is the best form of aloe vera to use on face and hair is the raw gel of the plant. So this will improve your skin and prevent dark spots and wrinkles. So this works magical on every skin type and it is a secret of getting a spotless skin. So now I have divided my hair into two sections and I'm applying the gel evenly to the scalp. So this will improve the damaged and dry hair. And it also acts as a great conditioner. So mostly if we travel to beaches, our skin gets affected and we feel sort of discomfort. But if you apply raw gel to the affected area, it will give you a cooling effect and lessen the discomfort. So now I'm going to tie my hair up. And I'll wear the shower cap and let it sit for 20 minutes. So you can put this gel twice a week. So after letting it sit for 20 minutes, rinse your hair with a mild shampoo. So I think you should definitely try this at home, and if you enjoyed the video, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.